Hey teachers, did you know that Grade Transfer has a feature that allows you to automatically adjust your students' grades so they transfer in alignment with your school's proficiency scale? Let me show you the score converter. It's going to save you so much time. To get here, click on the extension and then the hamburger button and go to Advanced Settings. In the Score Converter tab, you will see an on and off toggle. When you have this turned on, any saved rules you have will automatically apply. Here's some examples of rules that you can set up. You might want to map a range of numeric scores to a letter grade. You can also map a range of numeric scores to a 4-point scale, or set a minimum amount that if students receive any type of grade in this range, they'll at least get a minimum score. You can even grab symbol and text grades and then transfer them as a numeric score. Whatever your grading rules are, you can set it up with the Score Converter. To learn more about this feature, we have a helpful article and video all on the Score Converter page. That's all for now. Happy transferring. If you think the Score Converter can help one of your teacher friends get some of their time back, make sure to share this video with them.